What's happening, everyone? We're back today with another video on the MK3 Fiesta. Today we will be welding on a rear quarter and the offside sill. Let's get to it. Okay, so a bit of progress has been made today, which is probably the biggest milestone, getting this car welded, which I'm so pleased about. You do not understand how long it has been, and like in the winter we cannot work on this car, so to actually get it out today, like the first day we've got it out properly and started work, we've actually got a lot done, and that is all thanks to Luke. So please give him a shout out and a follow. Just do it, trust me. He's got a detailing page, he's done his caddy as well. We've done that in a week for him. We converted his van to a 2-litre TFSI from his Golf, so be sure to check it out. It's all on air suspension as well. It's just got a few final details. But today what we have done is we have actually got the quarter welded on and the sill as well. So if we have a little look in a second, and then we'll go through what's next on the actual plans of it, because obviously it's not finished quarter wise as well, because we've got a few other bits to do. But as you can see, a bit of adjustment from Luke's magical work. The door lines up so well. It's a bit on the top which we need to do, it's just fine, that's nothing, but look, it just lines up so well. Like before we were having a few issues with the door actually lining up with the gap. We just need to sort the wing out because the wing's a bit fucked due to me being an idiot a few years back or whatever, but look, it's so straight now, unreal. So if we open this up, look, closes so nice, unbelievable. So as you can see, we've probably got a couple bits to do here, but we're just going to make sure, like normally, I think if I took the panel off last time, like the old panel, it's been a year now, but there were spots here and a couple here, but again, it's one of them. We'll see how the panel's doing behind it, if it's pressed up, because it is literally bang on at the minute, and we've got all the strength anyway, so it should be fine. But we will probably add a couple in just to be safe. So as you can see, we welded all along, and obviously where the B post is as well, all round, link the quarter and the sill together. It's all underneath. There's just a little area here because we need to add an extra skin for the inner sill because it's triple skinned. Same here as well, all welded. Little bit thing here, but the metal's crap there, but again, he's done good. It's all done. As you can see, then we go round all across here and through the arch, and obviously round to the back and up and round. So big progress has been made today, which I'm so pleased about. I do apologise about not filming as much because he's never done a quarter. I mean, I wouldn't dream of doing one by myself. I cut the old one off because he told me what to do. I mean, he pretty much told me where to cut and that was it. But yeah, I mean, he's never done one. He's the body shop guy out of us two, but I think he's done a fantastic job. So the next thing will be to be grinding all these welds down, get them as flat as we can, get it ready so we can fill her over the top, and we should be good to go. But I did get a few clips of him welding on the actual car itself, but again, as you can see, probably seen, it's not as much as we have done, because it was a case of a lot of take off, put back on, take off, put back on, try and line it up. So we were just sort of trying to get it perfect and then show you the end result. So hopefully you guys will appreciate that. But on the other stuff, I will do my best to get the footage rolling on the floor and stuff like that. So enough rambling, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like, comment, subscribe for more content, and I'll catch you later.